A tree whose fruit explodes grows in the Amazon rainforest. This species of evergreen shrub growing in the tropical regions of South America is called Hera crepitans, sandbox tree or dynamite tree. It grows up to 60 meters in height. The entire trunk is covered with thick, long thorns. These thorns are a natural defense mechanism against animals that are unable to climb the tree to eat its unusual fruits. This tree has the unique property of spreading its seeds over a large area. The fruit of Hera crepitans is a capsule, similar to a small pumpkin, which can explode at any moment and launch the seeds into flight at a speed of 70 meters per second. Sometimes the seeds land 100 meters away from the tree. When it explodes, there is a sharp loud pop, which is the reason why Hera crepitans is called dynamite tree.